What happens when you drink oregano tea every day? Did you know that besides seasoning food, oregano can be used as a cosmetic? That's right. In addition to adding flavor and aroma to cooking, this herb also promotes skin and hair health. But the advantages don't stop there. What if I told you that besides being an elixir for youth, a simple cup of oregano tea can help you with weight loss, diabetes control, and cancer prevention? Are you intrigued by these benefits and curious about integrating oregano into your health and beauty routine? Stay tuned until the end to find out. Oregano, a staple in global cuisine, is particularly beloved in pasta dishes, famously gracing pizzas and adding depth to sauces, vegetables, and meats. Originating from Greece, where its name translates to "joy of the mountain," oregano has a rich history. During the Middle Ages, it was even used in magic for good luck and in medicine to treat infections and earaches. The wisdom of ancient cultures has been passed down from generation to generation, and to this day, this aromatic herb that enhances the flavor of recipes is also an ingredient for medicinal teas, as it provides various essential nutrients for the body. But what exactly makes oregano tea so beneficial? Beyond its simple preparation, oregano is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering dietary fiber and being rich in essential vitamins such as A, E, and K. It's also packed with vital minerals, including zinc, iron, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Notably, oregano is abundant in detoxifying agents like carvacrol, which not only promotes digestive health, but also supports weight management efforts. Want to enjoy all these benefits in a delicious and unique way? In today's video, we will reveal what happens to your body when you drink oregano tea daily. Get ready to be amazed by the sixth benefit. So, stick around until the very end for an exclusive oregano tea recipe that will maximize these extraordinary benefits. 1. Strengthens the immune system and fights infections and bacteria. The immune system is crucial for our health, protecting against infections and diseases. A weakened immune system is more susceptible to these threats. In this context, oregano stands out as a potent ally. It's packed with vitamins A and C, alongside powerful antioxidants found in the herb, which collectively bolster the immune system's defenses. In addition, oregano tea offers numerous health benefits, including a remarkable efficacy against urinary tract infections. Thanks to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, oregano aids in combating these infections effectively. Moreover, research highlights oregano's potential beyond its antimicrobial capabilities. Notably, oregano and its active compounds, carvacrol and thymol, have shown to possess significant antiviral properties, providing protection against a variety of viruses. A study from the University of Arizona has shown that carvacrol, a component of oregano, can deactivate the norovirus, known for causing diarrhea and nausea, within just 1 hour of exposure. Similarly, a study by a medical center in Taiwan discovered that carvacrol and thymol together can neutralize up to 90% of the herpes simplex virus, also within an hour. 2. Cosmetic benefits, skin and hair. The use of oregano tea for treating inflammatory issues is well documented, but its advantages extend far beyond this. Recall our earlier discussion of oregano as a youth elixir? This wasn't just a metaphor. Oregano truly serves as a natural cosmetic. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, oregano helps combat aging by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, thereby promoting healthier, more youthful skin and stronger, more vibrant hair. Just to put it into perspective, oregano tea contains approximately 30 times more antioxidant substances than an apple, making it a powerful tool in reducing the inflammation that can lead to hair loss. Additionally, oregano tea has shown promise in reducing insulin resistance, a benefit particularly valuable for hair health in women with polycystic ovary syndrome. This effect can help mitigate one of the syndrome's common symptoms, hair thinning or loss. Its antioxidant compounds, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, neutralize excess free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting younger and healthier skin. 3. Helps regulate the menstrual cycle and relieve menstrual cramps. The discomforts associated with the menstrual period, such as cramps, are temporary, yet can significantly impact daily life, right? If you face this issue, oregano tea can be an effective solution. It not only aids in regulating the menstrual cycle, but also serves as a potent remedy for relieving cramps due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Carvacrol, a component previously highlighted for its health benefits, also exhibits diuretic properties. These properties are particularly effective in combating fluid retention, a common premenstrual symptom. Consuming oregano tea during your menstrual period can therefore significantly alleviate discomfort, making it a valuable addition to menstrual health care. 4. Aids digestion and weight loss. Oregano tea offers significant benefits for those looking to improve digestion and aid in their weight loss journey in several impactful ways. Firstly, the promotion of digestive enzyme secretion by oregano tea enhances the breakdown of food molecules, ensuring that the body can more effectively absorb essential nutrients from meals. The carvacrol, a compound present in oregano, acts to reduce inflammation in adipose tissues, aiding in the decrease of body swelling caused by fluid retention. This property is beneficial for avoiding constant weight fluctuations. Additionally, oregano tea's high fiber content is invaluable in managing hunger. Fiber aids in prolonging satiety, which naturally helps control appetite. This is a crucial factor in weight management as it reduces the likelihood of overeating and supports a healthier calorie intake. 5. Enhances heart health. Regular consumption of oregano can bring significant benefits to cardiovascular health. Nutrients such as calcium, iron, vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants present in the herb are all vital for maintaining optimal heart function. Prolonged intake of this aromatic herb can contribute to reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and supporting blood circulation. Also, oregano possesses the unique ability to inhibit certain enzymes involved in glucose metabolism. This action helps regulate blood sugar levels, offering a natural aid for individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes. Such regulation is essential not only for blood sugar control, but also for reducing the risk of diabetes-related cardiovascular issues. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 6. Potent ally in respiratory issues. For individuals suffering from respiratory conditions like bronchitis and asthma, oregano emerges as a powerful ally. The presence of carvacrol and flavonoids in this herb is pivotal, acting as natural purifiers for the lungs. These compounds aid in clearing the respiratory tract, significantly easing coughs and contributing to overall respiratory health. When ingested as tea or used in homemade syrup, oregano has a direct effect on the bronchi. It encourages the production of lung secretions, thereby showcasing prominent expectorant properties. This action helps in loosening and expelling mucus from the airways, providing relief from a range of conditions including bronchitis, persistent dry cough, the common cold, sinusitis, and laryngitis. And here's a tip. To make this potent expectorant syrup, which will help you eliminate lung secretions and consequently relieve your cough. Mix 1 teaspoon of oregano with 1 tablespoon of honey, warm it in the microwave for 5 seconds, and consume 2 to 3 times daily. Simple, right? 7. Cancer prevention. As you already know, oregano is rich in antioxidants, such as carvacrol and thymol, which help neutralize the excess free radicals formed in the body. These antioxidants help reduce cell damage and may prevent the growth of cancer cells, thus contributing to the prevention and reduction of the development of different types of cancer, such as ovarian, prostate, and leukemia. Studies conducted in test tubes have shown that oregano and its components have the potential to induce the death of cancer cells. For example, a study conducted by the University of Rome in Italy treated human colon cancer cells with oregano extract, observing that it not only inhibited the growth of cancer cells, but also helped them to die. 8. Improves bone health. The antioxidant compounds found in oregano are crucial for combating the increase in harmful free radicals produced during intense physical activities, which can lead to muscle damage and slow down recovery times. Drinking oregano tea serves as an excellent strategy to mitigate these effects, aiding in the faster recuperation of muscles post-exercise. Additionally, oregano is a rich source of minerals such as manganese, iron, and calcium, which are essential for bone health. Regular consumption of oregano tea can help strengthen bones, preventing conditions such as osteoporosis. For athletes and individuals engaged in rigorous physical routines, it offers the added advantage of enhancing resistance to injuries and reducing the wear and tear on bones over time. What are the potential risks and side effects of consuming oregano tea? Consuming oregano tea, while beneficial for many, carries certain risks and side effects that should not be overlooked. Allergic reactions, though rare, can manifest in various forms including facial swelling, skin irritation and itching, gastrointestinal disturbances like diarrhea, and respiratory difficulties such as shortness of breath. Individuals with known allergies to plants in the Lamiaceae family, which includes oregano, should proceed with caution or avoid oregano tea altogether. Particularly, pregnant women are advised against consuming oregano tea due to the risk of miscarriage. Certain compounds in oregano, such as thymol and carvacrol, may have effects that could stimulate the uterus, leading to adverse outcomes. Similarly, the safety of oregano tea for breastfeeding women has not been conclusively established, prompting the recommendation to avoid its consumption during this period to ensure the well-being of the infant. Additionally, individuals scheduled for surgery are advised to discontinue the use of oregano tea at least 2 weeks prior to the procedure. Oregano can influence blood clotting mechanisms, potentially heightening the risk of excessive bleeding during and after surgery. This precautionary measure is crucial for ensuring surgical safety and optimal healing. How to prepare oregano tea. The preparation of the tea is very easy, and you can use fresh or dried oregano leaves. Boil 1 cup of water. Turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves or 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano leaves to the hot water. Cover the cup and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Strain the tea into your cup and enjoy it warm. For enhanced flavor and added health benefits, consider adding a cinnamon stick during the steeping process. To sweeten your tea, we recommend natural sweeteners like honey, aligning with healthier lifestyle choices. Incorporating 2 to 3 cups of oregano tea into your daily routine, particularly after meals, can contribute significantly to your overall health. Now that you know the benefits of oregano tea, just make it a habit to include this miracle beverage in your diet. Your health will thank you. We would love to hear from you. Did you already know all the benefits of oregano tea for your health? Do you have any unique recipes or alternative uses for oregano that you'd like to share? Let's create a community of wellness by sharing our experiences and tips in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell for more healthful insights. Sharing this video with friends and family not only spreads the word, but also supports our mission to foster a healthier, more informed community. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to see how oregano tea enriches your life. Stay tuned for more health tips and insights in our upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye.